Hello and welcome to today's video on the importance of research and analysis in online share trading. With the increasing popularity of online trading, it's more important than ever to understand the significance of conducting thorough research and analysis before making any investment decisions. In this video, we will discuss the key reasons why research and analysis are critical to successful online share trading. But before we get into the video, don't forget to subscribe to Samco Securities. 1. Helps you make informed decisions when considering investing in companies. It is important to conduct comprehensive research and analysis to gain an understanding of their financial health and potential. By examining various financial data such as revenue, profits, and debt, you can make informed decisions on which stocks to buy or sell. This process can ultimately increase your chances of success during online share trading. 2. Reduces risk. To make informed investment decisions and prevent potential losses, it is crucial to comprehend the risks linked with a specific investment. Conducting thorough research and analysis of a company's financial statements, management teams, and industry trends can provide a more precise understanding of the risks involved in your investments. 3. Promotes better communication with financial advisors. Conducting research and analysis can facilitate more meaningful conversations about online share trading strategies with a financial advisor, leading to better decisions and a stronger financial plan. Collaborating with a financial advisor can also enhance the effectiveness of online share trading strategies. 4. Enhances your confidence. Having a deep understanding of the stocks you invest in can provide a significant advantage in the stock market. The more knowledge and information you have about a particular stock, the more confident you'll be in your investment decisions. This confidence can help you remain steadfast during market fluctuations and avoid making hasty decisions, such as panic selling. 5. Assists in setting realistic expectations. By conducting thorough research and analysis, one can establish practical expectations regarding the potential returns of investments. Comprehending the risks and potential rewards linked with each investment can aid in making informed decisions concerning one's portfolio. In conclusion, research and analysis are critical to successful online share trading. By understanding the market, identifying the right stocks, mitigating risks, and staying up to date, you can make informed investment decisions that have a higher chance of success. Always remember to take the time to conduct thorough research and analysis before making any investment decisions, and you'll be well on your way to achieving your investment goals. Thank you for watching, and happy trading.
From Samco, the new-gen mobile trading platform. Ace the Index.
Investments in securities market are subject to market risks. Read all the related documents carefully before investing.